Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the reindeer in DTI. Like, it's so cute and it's kinda hard. Like, it's so hard I had to do the quest 3 times. But just look at it, it's so cute, I love it so much. Alright, we should get into the video now. But a little bit more of looking at it. Like, you can't say no to this little baby. Okay, let's go start. Okay guys, we are in the quest lobby. With my Lana outfit like I slayed. If you already did the quest, you have to do it again. Sadly, but I have this vid to help you. But my game was glitching, so I had to leave. So I'ma just speed it up. Alright guys, we are back. And if you are done with your quest, please go on 2. Cause you don't have to do chapter 1, but if you want you can. And every time I click on that same outfit, it looks weird. Like, hello? So please go on chapter 2. And when you go on chapter 2, I will say go alone. Cause it's kinda better. And also at the end, you guys that are watching my videos, like maybe on Wednesday I will have 2 people in my video, and they will compete who knows my YouTube more and me. I'm doing this just to see if you all are real fans. Cause I have been blowing up so much. And if you don't want to waste your time, then just skip. And if you don't know how, it's on the bottom of the screen. And it's also on all of them if you just want to skip. Then press the skip button. And here you probably know what to do here, and if you don't, I will show you. Okay, I will say that you have to go slow until you find a token, and I will speed it up until I find the token. See that, get it? And when you claim the token, you need one more. So I'ma speed it up again. Okay, and when you get here, you are halfway done. So right here, you have to choose a ride. So I'm going to show you which one. Not this one, and not that one. This one is the right one. And I will prove it, just watch. Oh my god, hurry. What did I say? I was right. And now we are in the last one. So, you know what that means, speeding up time.
It's over for you. You cannot escape. Catch. Watch your step. This one's for you. Watch your step. It's too late.
Then the next token, it's over here. See it? You have to get it. And now just watch me.
Try and keep up. Dancing. Get over here. Try and keep up.
Not you guys watch me just die. Now you go in a free play 7, then you will have it. Now look in the dressing rooms. Then you have unlocked it. Then you will see the reindeer. If it did not work, say something in the comments and I will respond. And thank you so much for watching. See you all later in the next video. And don't forget to sub to me and follow my Roblox.